Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove CapCut watermark or CapCut logo which appear at the end of our video. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application and this is for the watermark, and I'm going to show you how we can remove this CapCut watermark or CapCut logo. If we want to remove it, we just need to click on the ending. Okay, and then after the ending has been selected, you're going to click on delete, and then the CapCut watermark or CapCut logo will be removed from your video. Now it's done, but if we create a new project, it will keep appearing guys. Let me show you. Okay, as you can see that we need to manually remove this watermark. So here I'm going to show you how we can remove it permanently. You can go to your setting by clicking on this option and click on this icon on the top right, and here you will see a default ending menu, and you just need to turn off this default ending. Okay, and then I'm going to click on discard. All right, and now the default ending has been disabled, and then I'm going to go back to the homepage and try to create a new project. Okay, and let's see. Okay, as you can see that the watermark has been automatically removed. All right, and then the next one, I'm going to show you how we can remove the CapCut watermark which appear in the CapCut template. So I have just edited my video using the CapCut template guys. This one, I'm going to open up the template. Okay, and as you can see that the CapCut watermark appear right here on my video on the top right. And to remove this watermark, we can select export first, and then you can export without watermark, and after that the watermark will be removed from your video. Wait guys, now the video is being exported, and I'm going to show you the result after this. Okay, and it's ready to share. And when you connect your CapCut to TikTok, it will be automatically added to TikTok. And as you can see that there is no watermark here. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.